To connect Grammarly to Asana and streamline your writing process right within your project management tasks, you're in the right place. Stick around because I'll show you how to do this quickly and effectively so you can improve your workflow without any hassle. Now, before we dive in, did you know that you can get Grammarly for completely free through the first link in the description below, plus get access to exclusive bonuses to help you get the most out of it? I'll tell you more about that at the end, so make sure to stay tuned. Let's kick off with the first thing you need to do, getting Grammarly set up on your browser. You can use Grammarly on multiple platforms, but to connect it with Asana, you'll want the browser extension. Just go to the Chrome Web Store or whichever browser you use, search for Grammarly, and click Add to Chrome or the equivalent for your browser. Once it's installed, you'll see the Grammarly icon pop up in your extensions bar. Next thing, open Asana. If you already use Asana, you know it's a powerful tool for project management. If you're new to it, don't worry, we'll keep it simple. Asana helps you organize tasks, track your progress, and collaborate with your team. It's a great tool for keeping your projects on track. Now, when you're in Asana, you'll be working in text fields like task descriptions or comments, and this is where Grammarly comes in. The third thing you need to do is to make sure Grammarly is active. If the extension is working properly, you'll notice the little Grammarly icon appearing in text fields across Asana. If you don't see it, make sure you're logged into Grammarly in your browser and that the extension is enabled in your browser settings. It's as simple as that. Once it's enabled, Grammarly will automatically start checking your text for spelling, grammar, and clarity issues as you type. The fourth thing is Grammarly suggestions will now be available directly inside Asana. Whenever you type a task description or comment, you'll see underlined text indicating errors or suggestions. Grammarly will recommend corrections in real time, so you can fix things without even leaving Asana. It's like having a personal proofreader right in your project management tool. Now, here's a little bonus for you. While Grammarly works automatically, you can also adjust your settings. If you head to the Grammarly dashboard on your browser extension, you can fine-tune the writing style, like focusing on clarity, conciseness, or even tone, to better suit your team's needs in Asana. Next thing to know, using Grammarly with Asana doesn't just help with spelling and grammar. The premium version of Grammarly offers advanced suggestions for style improvements, like adjusting tone, which can be useful when writing professional or sensitive content directly in Asana. This can be a game changer for communication within teams or clients. Lastly, don't forget, using Grammarly's free version is great, but if you want access to those advanced features and to really elevate your writing within Asana, I strongly recommend checking out the premium version. And as I mentioned earlier, you can get Grammarly for free with the first link below and unlock some special bonuses to make your experience even better. To wrap up, connecting Grammarly to Asana is simple. Install the extension, log in, and start writing. Grammarly will do the rest, checking your grammar, spelling, and style, all within your Asana workspace. Plus, you're getting all this for free with a special extended trial if you check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out that link to get started with Grammarly today.